To better remember the past tense of irregular verbs, you can learn them in groups. Now you heard me, right? I'm not going to talk about any other form but the past tense. And also, most sites videos group them by how similar the second and third form of the verbs are, and I'm not going to do that. What I am doing is grouping them based on their sound. What I recommend that you do is you listen to this video several times and you will learn the past tenses of these irregular verbs just through hearing them. It's like muscle memory, just with your hearing. I have a video on how to use the past simple, so check that out. And I also have a practice video for the past simple where some of the verbs are irregular. Let's check out the break bro group. So I'm going to name the groups based on a key member of the group. Bear, bore. Break, broke. Drive, drove. Freeze, froze. Shine, shone. Speak, spoke. This is the begin, began group. Begin, began. Drink, drank. Ring, rang. Run, ran. Shrink, shrank. Sing, sang. Sink, sank. Sit, sat. Spit, spat. Spring, sprang. Stink, stank. Swim, swam. This is the bend, bent group, where in the past tense, the vowel becomes shorter and the word ends in a T. Bend, bent. Bite, bit. Build, built. Burn, burnt. Creep, crept. Deal, dealt. Dream, dreamt. Feel, felt. Keep, kept. Leave, left. Lend, lent. Light, lit. Lose, lost. Mean, meant. Meet, met. Send, sent. Shoot, shot. Sleep, slept. Spend, spent. Sweep, swept. Weep, wept. This is the bleed, bled group, where the vowel again becomes shorter, but the word ends in a D. Bleed, bled. Breathe, bred. Feed, fed. Flee, fled. Hear, heard. Hide, hid. Hold, held. Lead, led. Say, said. Slide, slid. Speed, sped. Tread, trod. This is the bring, brought group. Bring, brought. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Fight, fought. Teach, taught. Think, thought. This is the ride, rode group. Now in some cases they won't sound so similar in the base form, but the past tense does sound very similar. Choose, chose. Ride, rode. Rise, rose. Steal, stole. Stride, strode. Strive, strove. Swear, swore. Tear, tore. Where, wore. Weave, wove. Write, wrote. This is the blow, blew group. Blow, blew. Draw, drew. Fly, flew. Grow, grew. Know, knew. Throw, threw. This is the cling, clung group. Cling, clung. Dig, dug. Fling, flung. Hang, hung. Sling, slung. Sting, stung. String, strung. Swing, swung. Ring, rung. This is the lay, laid group. It's a really tiny group. Lay, laid. Make, made. Pay, paid. There are verbs that come in pairs. They are very similar in their base forms and they are very similar in their past tenses as well. So you can remember them as pairs. Stick, stuck. Strike, struck. Bind, bound. Find, found. Sell, sold. Tell, told. Shake, shook. Take, took. Sometimes, from an irregular verb, another verb is born with the help of a prefix, for example. And if the original verb was irregular, then the new verb is also going to be irregular. Now these are just samples, not a complete list. Rise, rose. Arise, arose. Come, came. Become, became. Get, got. Forget, forgot. Stand, stood. Understand, understood. Misunderstand, misunderstood. Now this group is very simple because both forms are the same. Beat, beat. Burst, burst. Cost, cost. Cut, cut. Hit, hit. Hurt, hurt. Let, let. Put, put. Quit, quit. Read, actually, read. Rid, rid. Set, set. Shed, shed. Shut, shut. Slit, slit. Split, split. Sweat, sweat. Thrust, thrust. Wed, wet. Wet, wet. Now do take note of read, read. Written, they look the same. Spoken, they're different. I wanted to take apart from everything else the auxiliary verbs. So you have be, which is was or were. Do, did. Have, had. Can, could. Now, can is a special kind of auxiliary verb, but I want you to put it here as well. There still remain a few which are unlike anything else, and they are, of course, among the most frequently used verbs. Eat, ate. Go, went. Lie, lay. Fall, fell. Give, gave. See, saw. Win, won.